Hello students, welcome to the class. Our subject is Nursing Foundation and today we are going to discuss about community oriented nursing. You can expect 2 marks, 3 marks or 5 marks question on this. Now, this community oriented nursing is also known as community based nursing. Now, this is a service, this is a care where a specialized nursing service is provided to the individual or to the family or to the group of people. So here a care is provided as per the need of individual or as per the need of that particular family, or we'll select the whole community. Okay, now for example, when we select the whole community, what type of care we can provide? For example, now we can select the whole community and we can provide a health education on mosquito borne diseases. We can take certain measures so that we can prevent vector borne diseases in that particular community. So we are taking a measure that entire community is prevented from mosquito borne diseases, so that we are taking a measures that any member those are living in that community or any family, they should not get affected with any kind of mosquito borne diseases like malaria, filaria. So this is what called community oriented nursing. So community oriented nursing, which is specialized or give a special focus on individual or the family or the group and what care they want. Now this community oriented nursing provide acute care, long term care, home care nursing, and they provide rehabilitation care services. They provide telenursing in case if you want you can call and speak to them. So all these services are provided in this community oriented nursing. Now this community oriented nurse will give a home visit. She will make a visit to the field so that she's understand what is the real need of that particular community. See, now based on the need, she can plan for the intervention, she can plan for the care. So definitely a need of each and every individual in that family, each and every member of that community can be met. Now also they make a several home visit. When you do the home visit, you are able to understand what's the status of that particular family, health status, what's the need, what's the health requirement of that particular family, because each and every family in a community, they may have a different needs. Some may have small children in their family, some may have a young children, some may have adolescents, eligible couples, elderly people, geriatric people. So everybody's need will be different. So here community nurse definitely, because of several home visits, she is able to understand what's the need of that particular community. Okay, next is the goal of community oriented nursing. Now here mainly they provide a nursing care to prevent the diseases and promote the health. So prevent the diseases and promote the health, nursing care is provided, and also it is focused on the health care of an individual, family and group in the community. So they are mainly focusing on the improving the health status of individual, family and a group of people. Definitely they all comes under this community. Then they provide a health care to improve the or promote the quality of life. They are improving a care, what they are providing qualitative care to improve the quality of life. Now they make a community diagnosis, health surveillance, evaluation. It's done because of community oriented nursing. Now they also do some kind of home visit, home survey. What is that? What is that called? Like a collection of sensors, collecting the data, collecting the vital events, statistics event that is made, like vital events like how many birth in the community, how many death, mortality, morbidity rate. These all things are assessed with the help of community oriented nursing. Next, the scope of community oriented nursing is we can do home care, maternal and child health services, family planning, school health nurse and community health nursing services, industrial nursing services, occupation nursing services, mental health nursing services, rehabilitation nursing services and geriatric nursing services. Now these all are the important scope of community based or community oriented nurse. Definitely all these areas where community based nurse can provide her services. Then what are the settings where we can give this community oriented nursing. One is like case manager. Now community oriented nurse can act as a case manager where she is managing the entire case. If she has selected any particular community, entire community she will manage. She will assess the level of that community, assess in the sense health status, assess the health status, then find the requirement, find the required what is that, what health services they want, what's the need of that community, what are the problem they are facing. These all things are managed by the community oriented nurse. Also she will provide occupational services. If she's work in any industries, what all the problems they may face, health of workers, employees, those are working in that industries, it may be oil field or it may be any industries, because there's a chance they may develop chemical, yeah, biological or mechanical injuries. Now that can be prevented because occupational nurse, she is working in that particular industry. Also she can work in a school setting, where school she perform a role of school health nurse, like now here checking the health condition, maintaining the height and weight record, checking for the what is that normal HB, blood investigations, routine checkup she will send. Also she will provide a good health education. She will be an educator, she will be a teacher, where she has teach many things about the health aspects to the children. Also she can provide adolescents health educations. So these all things can be done by a community oriented nurse in a school setup. Also she can work as a home care. In home setup she is work where she is meeting a need of a patient who is like on a bed for a long time, who really requires a long term caring or rehabilitation service. So these all are the settings where community based nurse can work, like industrial or occupational health nurse, school health, community setup, home setup, and case manager. Well, she can also work in home care nursing. So this is all about community oriented nursing. So you can write all these answers. You write about the introduction, you write a definition that community oriented nursing, where it is a specialized care provided to the individual, family and a group of community. Then please write about the goal and what are the settings where community oriented nurse can provide services. I hope you understood. Thank you.